Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Editing Basic. In this video, we are going to learn how to crop your image in Canva. First step is to open your browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com. It will lead you to a home page of your Canva website, and here on the top right corner you can see Create a Design button. Click on it and choose your required template. Now first of all, upload your desired photo. To do so, click on the upload option which is on the left side, and here click on upload file and upload your required photo. Here I have already uploaded this photo, so I'm gonna choose this photo as an example. Now after you drag this photo into the page, then here on the top you can see this edit image option. Click on it, and here you can see this crop option. Click on it. Now you can resize this ratio according to your preference, and after you are done, here on the bottom side you can see this done button. Click on done, and here you can see that you have successfully cropped the photo following this simple step. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.